Dave Giansanti from Gyro Dry Cleaners in Lockport, New York.
And you've got how many SonicAire fans?
Two.
And how long have you had them?
3 years.
All right. And what do you think about them?
I would highly recommend these to anybody. We used to clean our ceilings at least 2 times a year, 22-foot high ceilings. Now we haven't cleaned them in 2 years.
Wow. Yeah. So what is that savings like for you?
Oh, it's I haven't calculated it out, but it was a job no one wanted to do before. Yeah. So it's a great product. I recommend it to anybody.
So where does the lint go now?
Once they've been in operation, we hardly ever see lint. It's minute on the floor, a little dust. But once it takes care of the whole system and it's up there every night running for an hour and a half each night, you don't see lint anywhere.
My name is Scott Steen. I'm the Chief Engineer at Hospital Laundry Service in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay, great. And tell us about your experience with SonicAire fans.
Well, we had a building expansion back in 2012. In that time we had the Sonic fans installed. We have about 32 units in our plant, and it's about a little over 10,000 square feet, and they do a fantastic job of keeping the lint knocked down out of the rafters.
What's your normal use of the fans look like?
We have our fans programmed to come on about 8 o'clock at night, and they run for 2 hours every day during the week.
And then when you come in the morning, what does that look like?
We do have dust bunnies on the floor. Well, we have a crew that come in and just dust mop them up. It's very, very easy to keep clean.
Okay. Have you had to do any maintenance on the fans at all over the 10 years?
No, just a routine maintenance. Lubricating joints, but have really had no service issues with them at all.
All right. Do you have any words for somebody who's thinking about purchasing a fan?
I would highly recommend them due to the fact that before in the past we would have to cover up all the machinery and the linen, come in on the weekend and blow all the lint down out of the rafters, and then then you have a really big mess to clean up. Well, with the Sonic fans, it keeps everything clean, and what it does knock down is more manageable because there's less of it.
My name is Brandon Alexander. I work in Fort Worth at JPS Hospital. I run the on-site laundry there. And at that laundry we have SonicAire fans. They were installed whenever I got there. And so
they were already installed when you got there?
Oh yeah. And so the beauty of it is the previous facility that I was at, we had to get a scissor lift. Our maintenance team is going through there, and it was really kind of intricate as we have to feed through the plant, all that, trying to get it blown down. We're on the SonicAire every night. I have them turn on for about 45 minutes or so, and it actually blows everything down for us. And I mean, it's way better than the previous that I had to deal with, So
you run them every night just for a couple hours or all night?
Yeah, for 45 minutes every night we run them. Sometimes we'll end up shutting them down because we have to run, a little bit over because we're behind schedule or whatnot. But for the most part, every single night.
Okay, and what do you do with what gets blown down? How do you clean it up?
Absolutely. So whenever we have everything blown down, we just blow it to the back of the facility, and over there we pick it up manually. Usually, if you run them every single night, it's not going to be too big of a mess that you have, but predominantly we have a team that will actually clean everything up for us. So.
Okay. And I know you weren't the one that purchased the fans, but have you ever had any issues with them or had to do maintenance or anything like that?
Very little maintenance, and it's only because of user error, to be honest with you. So it wasn't attributed to the actual product, but no, we're thrilled with it.
What problems were you having that caused you to look at dust control fans as a solution?
Lint, dust, and since I started using it, I have no issues at all.
Yeah, and
I'm running.
Did you look at other options or use other methods?
I did, but I came up with a solution 20 years ago. This is the only thing to use.
Yeah. So you got in like right at the ground floor. You didn't use
right at the. Yeah, I bought 2 units from one of the shows, the last minute, and love them.
Great.
Won't replace it.
Awesome. So, have you ever had any issues with the SonicAire fans running, or had to send them in for maintenance?
No.
Anything like that?
No.
All right. Well, what would you say to somebody who's thinking about purchasing the SonicAire fans?
Don't hesitate 1 second. It's the best thing that can happen to a cleaners.